Delivery day on our 9.4T magnet.
Yeah, that was actually an unforgettable day. Just seeing that truck pulling in and the machine being slowly, unloaded.
Trying to crane it into the building and shim it in, and it was exhilarating and a little terrifying, I have to say.
There was a mix of excitement, anxiety, and anticipation.
We worked so hard to get the funding, to get the building ready for it.
So seeing that scanner being unloaded and slowly moved into the building was amazing. And it just felt like a major milestone for the center.
It's an engineering miracle to have a magnet with that density of magnetic field. So we can get these exquisite, absolutely unbelievably detailed pictures of brain tissue without ever doing anything invasive.
It wasn't just a new piece of equipment, it's the foundation for new research, groundbreaking research, and knowing that made the experience incredibly meaningful.
We're very lucky here at the University of Rochester that we are one of 15 IDDRCs, Intellectual Developmental Disability Research Centres. Just over 100 investigators, professors are here working on intellectual and developmental disabilities. So having the centre allows us to coordinate this sort of establishment and purchase of large pieces of equipment that lots and lots of investigators can use.
Our cabin is unique in that regard because we offer hands-on training opportunities for students and postdocs through access to this cutting-edge neuroimaging technology. Trainees can gain experience with multimodal techniques such as MRI, EEG, and we have support for cognitive and behavioral testing facilities. We foster education and training through seminar presentations, tours, and live demonstrations.
By pushing these different expertise into the same space too, we have investigators who talk to each other and interact with each other.
It makes it easier for investigators to proceed with, doing their studies in a way that maybe without this integration would not have been possible.
The way we've organized this building is we have these bullpen areas where the students and the postdocs from the different labs are actually sitting in the same space.
When animal and human studies are conducted under the same roof, findings from animal models can be quickly validated and compared to human data. Researchers can design animal studies that better reflect the human conditions, and it also promotes safe development of biomarkers for brain disease that are consistent across species.
I can't overemphasize how important having the IDDRC has been to driving this community of amazing scientists together to do extraordinary work and in building our credibility with our community that we really know what we're doing here.
We are very excited to get another human MRI. This is a head-only MRI.
And that allows it to be much more precise. We can get much better images and get them faster.
It will give us more detail into anatomy and function, and I think it's particularly suited for IDD population.
The magnet itself is nowhere near as claustrophobic because your body doesn't go up in there. In June 2024, our IDDRC became known as the Golisano Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities Institute because of a major gift from one of our great philanthropists here in Rochester, Tom Golisano. So he really has invested with us now to help us continue to grow out our research program, our clinical program, with an eye to becoming, one of the very best centers in the world for intellectual and developmental disabilities work.